Cubot Power, Xiaomi, Samsung, really old phone. Now let's see how the compass works. Cubot was on service and I said that the compass not working. Now let's see. Oh, the north starts to drop to the ground. Immediately I picked it up. Now let's see the others. Oops. Okay, let's do it again. Compass stays. Nothing. Even if I tilt it, nothing. Still shows the true north. Now Samsung. Also, it's working. Nothing. Now if I do this to Cubot, after repair of course. Oh, really? Really? This is how Cubot repairs your phone. Really nice.